Hello my billionaire family, welcome back. Today tutorial will be on this long asooke. So if you have long asooke, you can achieve this style. And do let me know if you want me to use small asooke to tie this type of style. Do let me know at the comment section. So this style is very easy and very simple. All you just have to do is make the gele to be 50-50, then place it on your head, then cross the both hand. After crossing the both hand, bring it back to the front and twist the gele. So just look at that. I'm twisting the gele now. I'm twisting the gele. I'm twisting it. So look at that. Placing it on my head like so. This gele is very beautiful, guys. Can tie it to one parties or to church. That is one thing about this gele. It's very easy. In less than 10 minutes, you are through with your gele. So I'm doing the same thing, then placing it on top of the first one, just like so. Look at that, guys. This gele is very beautiful. Look at that. Just look at that. My God, the gele is so beautiful, guys. It's so beautiful. So I'll be using office pin to just pin that one down at the back. So do let me know if you have any gele tutorial you want me to do for you guys. Do let me know at the comment section. So the excess hand, look at what I'm just doing with. I'm just twisting it with that hand that I left at the back. Then I'll be using office pin. Sorry for just going down. I want to pick office pin, that is why. Sorry about that. So I'll be using office pin now to secure it there. So I'll be using office pin. Look at that, guys. This gele is so beautiful, and that's it. You are through with your gele. Easy and very simple. Gele is very easy and simple. So that is it. Do let me know if you have any question about this gele. Do let me know at the comment section, guys. And if you have any gele tutorial, you can do let me know. You can send it to my WhatsApp or to my Instagram. You can DM me on Instagram. So that is it about the gele, guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, like, share this video with your loved ones, and I will talk to you in the next one. God bless you guys. Bye.